Presenting our Supremacist Bronze awardee,
my greatest achievement is when I became an OIC, an opportunity to lead people. I am happy sharing my thoughts and experiences to my teammate. I want to help them grow and become successful individuals. Megaworld made a big change in my life, which is why I want others to experience the same. My philosophy in life is simple. If I'm a manager, I want to be the best manager. I want to become the best in my chosen career. I will always strive to be better than who I was yesterday. I won't stop at just one achievement. If I can be more than what I am now, all the better.
presenting Mr. Christian J. S. Reyes, 2013 Supremacist Bronze awardee with a total production of 115 million pesos.
Our Supremacist Bronze awardee is accompanied by his parents, his group leader, Mr. Mark De La Cruz, Mr. Jackson Lim Jr., the head of Division 88, Mr. Nolly D. Hernandez, our SVP of Sales and Marketing, and Ms. Lourdes Gutierrez Alfonso, COO of Megaworld Corporation. He will receive a trophy, a Samsung S5, a cash incentive, and gift certificates from Richmond Hotel of Megaworld Corporation.
Once again, let's give a big round of applause to our Supremacist Bronze awardee, Mr. Christian J. S. Reyes.
Congratulations once again, Sir CJ.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am extremely honored to be receiving this important award, the Supremacist Bronze Award. This award embodies the hard work that I have devoted to Megaworld Corporation. This is the quintessence of the gratitude for our beloved company. At the same time, without my valued sources of inspiration, I would not have achieved this. Please let me have a minute to express my deep appreciation to the unending support and blessings given to me. First of all, I would like to thank our Almighty God for guiding me to the path of which I can attain through self-actualization. With you, dear God, everything is possible. To our Senior Vice President, Mr. Nolly Hernandez. Thanks. Thank you for imparting your knowledge with us, for sharing your life experiences and achievements that allows us to dream big and at the same time realize that it can be done. You are truly a model of persistence and hard work. You serve as an inspiration and motivation. To our VP for Sales, Mr. Jackson Lim, thank you for your guidance. Thank you for the opportunity to bring out the best in me. Becoming a team leader is a challenge, and I embrace it with open arms. It's overwhelming to know that I have touched people's lives by helping them achieve their goals. To my former manager, Mr. Daniel De Los Santos, I want to thank you for believing in me, for seeing my potential. We've been through good and bad, and I will always thank you for everything. Without your trust, I wouldn't be where I am right now. Of course, to my big handsome boss, Mr. Mark De La Cruz, thank you for your support. I know you know me too well that you always push me to my maximum capacity. I thank you for the challenge to become the best in everything. To my Elites family, thank you for the 3 years of being together. With you, I have found my second family. I am proud to be part of highly competitive and hardworking people. To my Team Kaizen, thank you for being part of my success. Handling you guys gave me more patience and understanding. You don't just learn from me, I have also learned from you. I am proud to have you all, and I will always be here to support you and see you reach for your goal. To the staff, Miss Ai, Miss Nina, Miss Nia, to the secretaries, thank you for assisting us in making things easier. Hoping for more exciting promoters and big discounts for our clients. To the training section, Ms. Rain, thank you for your continuous learning and for your continuous support in making improvements for us to do well and become better. Also to the sales staff, Ms. Mao in events, Ms. Elaine, Sir Junix, Sir Carlo, and training teams, thank you. To my babe, Kat, thank you for your unconditional love. Thank you for helping me in everything. You're always there through my ups and downs. For being my #1 fan, for being my great buddy. You're all in one. To my family, Mom and Dad, thank you for your unwavering love and support. I know that studying is not really my passion, and I promise to make it up to you. You are my inner motivation and great inspiration. Every impossible becomes possible because of the love and support you always show me. Making you proud was part of my dream. That's why I'm here now, standing in front of you. Mom and Dad, this award is for you. Thank you so much for being the best parents. I started working with Megawork Corporation here in 2007. Actually, this is my first job. During my time, nursing was the in-demand course. So I decided to take it up, even if I know it requires a lot of time studying. I pursued it fervently. However, when I graduated, it was difficult for me to find a job in the hospital since there's a lot of nursing graduates and less demanding hospitals. I decided to try my luck and be open for other possible opportunities. Then I submitted my resume to several companies, and this brought me to Megawork Corporation. I didn't know that this would make a difference in my life. I entered this company with nothing but courage. I said to myself that I would make it here no matter what. Like every one of you, I started from scratch, and saturation has been my bread and butter. Every day is a battle I always have to win. Each and every challenge, failure and difficulty tells a good story. I am an assistant sales manager now, but I was once a property consultant who strives to excel despite several difficulties. Before I reached this position, I was like you, fighting despite having 100 million deficit, being inconsistent, having 2 to 3 months of no sales, and having days of pure exhaustion. Due to this, my previous manager once gave me a deadline. Instead of holding a grudge, I decided to see it as a challenge. It served as a wake-up call that I'm not making my stay as productive. Yes, it's easier to give up and just turn my back, but I chose to stay and fight for my dreams. Like Mr. H told us, fortune belongs to the brave. I started bouncing back, and in the remaining 2 days before my deadline, I was able to make a result. So overwhelming that it was more than what my boss required from me. It brought back my confidence and started my momentum. Truly, challenges make us stronger as long as we fight for it. Through the years, I was able to master being consistent, which in turn enabled me to extinguish my deficits. I got promoted and was able to become part of the Chairman's Excelsior Circle for year 2011, being the top 5 producer. I cannot express how happy I am that time. It's like a dream come true. Right now, What keeps me going are my three core values: passion, discipline, and commitment. My love for this work has opened a lot of opportunities for me. My dream car, my first investment, good clothes, and most of all, I was able to return and give back to those people who have been part of my life, most especially to my family. There's nothing more rewarding than seeing them proud and happy. With this amount of blessings, all a result of undeniable passion towards work, my fire continues to burn brightly. Self-discipline has been my key to success. I realized that for me to become a good leader, I need to become a good follower. I know what I've been through with the managers who taught me. I then honed my personality in becoming a pursuant of dreams. My commitment has strengthened me to become the person that I am today. Being a property consultant is not that easy, but it's a wonderful profession. This profession gives us what we want as long as we give what is needed. As long as we set our eyes to our goals, everything is possible. So, for those eyeing for the top 10, fighting to achieve your promotion, you can do it. I know most of you heard this so many times. Nothing is impossible. My story may have been familiar, either the same of yours or someone else's, but I am challenging you to take a leap. Not just a step, but a leap. And make things happen. Because like you, I was also just a dreamer. Don't be afraid to take that leap of faith. Don't be afraid to fall or fail. Because the moment you stand up is where you will find your greatest strength. It will be your own defining moment. Thank you.
Congratulations once again to our Supremos Bronze awardee, Mr. Christian J. S. Reyes.
Congratulations, CJ.
So, what's next?
Silver. So it's Megaworld's 25th anniversary.